IngressVMS Visitor Registration Online. To use IngressVMS web application, you must first provide the Ingress server with a public IP address that brings Ingress software online. You also need to furnish visitors with a dedicated URL to access the site in case the Ingress server is configured to work within the same local area network only, which cannot fully utilize the IngressVMS web application. Once this URL is available, visitors can visit the URL from a web browser to fill up the Request to Visit form. For more information regarding the web application, please refer to Chapter 4 of the VMS User Manual. When an application is submitted by the visitor, it will be forwarded to IngressVMS and email notifications will be sent to both the visitor and the visitee. The visitee must notify the system administrator or the front desk personnel whether to approve or deny the visitor's application. The system administrator or the front desk personnel will notice the application once they log into IngressVMS under the Web Application Status module. The system administrator can choose to approve or deny the visitor's application. An email will be sent to the visitor when one of these options is selected to notify them of the application status. The visitor will also be informed of the reason for the denial of visitation if deny is selected. When the visitor arrives at the front desk, the system administrator needs to log into the system and search for the visitor information at the Search tab, and then fill up the remaining details of the visitor before he can be checked in. Once you have filled up all the information, click on Enroll Card to insert the card ID assigned to the visitor. This card is known as Access Card and must be returned when the visitor checks out. Click Save to save the visitor's information into IngressVMS and complete the registration process. The system will then lead you to the Visitor Check-in Out page. When the Check-in button is clicked, this process will notify the Ingress server to upload this visitor's access card ID to specific devices. The visitor can access the specific devices by verifying the card ID given to them at the authorized devices.